It's Anne from the Lawrence Community Branch. I have an amazing project for you today. So, about a year ago, we had a class here at the Lawrence Library that was a felting wool class. And we had a guest come in, we made projects, and it got a number of us started with this hobby. So, we thought that we would bring it to you. And we'll show you in a little bit what you're going to receive from the library if you so choose to go and pick up one of these kits. And we're also going to walk through the process of how to make a felted wool acorn. So we've been gathering these little acorn caps all over the state of Michigan, family and friends. They have been quarantined, and we are going to be putting them in kits with a portion of wool for you to use and make your own felted acorn. You can see in front of me, I have all kinds of beautiful wool here. There will be a variety of different colors. And it's just amazing stuff. Some of this is local. It's come from a sheep farmer, raiser. I don't know what you would call them. We also have a kit here, an example of what I ordered when I first started, because I wanted to try needle felting, which is a whole nother form. So we'll try and get into that at a future date. But today we're specifically going to be talking about wet felting. So we're going to be using water and soap. One other thing I wanted to show you was a project made in our class, and this was made by our guest today. And Marci Hudson is joining us. And this is one of the things that she did, and it got her started with this as well. So I'm delighted that she is going to step in here and show you how to do this project. And we would love to see examples of yours. So feel free to post them in the comments below. And thank you so much for joining us.
When you receive your wool, it will come in a small puff. Gently pull the wool so there aren't any clumps and it's fairly thin. It should be about the size of your hand. Add 1 to 2 drops of soap and gently work it into the wool. Dip a small portion into hot water. Begin shaping the wool into a ball. Cup your hands and start rolling the wool around, applying very little pressure. Dip the wool in cool water, squeezing out some of the excess water and soap. Continue rolling in cupped hands. Repeat these steps, alternating between hot and cool water. Gradually increase pressure as the wool becomes more firm. Rinse the soap out and use the acorn cap to pinch and shape the wool. Set aside and let dry completely. Use a glue to adhere the wool into the cap. Some kits come with complete acorns as well. We used acrylic paint to make different patterns. Decorate however you please. We recommend sealing the paint with a clear acrylic or Mod Podge.